How do? And good morning from Crete. Now today I'm going to show you a little video of the Panorama Apartments where we're stopping in. We've done 3 nights here and it's been lovely. It's basic but it's very clean. When we got in at 3 o'clock in the morning 3 days ago, there were a bit of a mix up with the room, as you know, I've come with my daughter and they give us a double bed, so they kind of upgraded us to this suite room. So I'm going to start with a room tour and then I'll just show you around the apartment block. So come on, let's go. So this is the entrance to our little abode. And we are in room number 6. And here we have the apartment. So we start in the living area. We've got a little table, a little drawer. We've shut them curtains because it gets so hot in here. And you get 2 twin beds in here. Then obviously, because this is a room for 4, it gives you your 4 chairs. Excuse Lucy's mess, she's not very tidy. And you get a kitchenette area. So you get a nice big fridge if you want to do your own self-catering. In here you have the safe, although it doesn't fit a laptop in, it is quite small. And then all your glasses, plates and stuff like that. Yeah, just some cupboard space up here. And some more empty cupboard space, so if you want to fetch your own stuff, if you're here for a while, they're all the same. Yep, all empty cupboard spaces. You've got your pans and a toaster and a kettle down there if you want to make your own drinks. And then a sink, a little hob type thing. So yeah, that's sufficient if you want to self-cater for yourself here. It is on a bed and breakfast basis, so you do get your breakfast included in the restaurant, and I'll show you that when we go out. So we then come through, so you've got all your switches and that here, and your key that goes in there. And then through here you get a double bedroom. Like I say, excuse the mess, we're going home today, so everything's out. You get some bedside tables at either side, some open storage, and a wardrobe. And they do give you plenty of hangers, they're all theirs, I haven't fetched any. And then some storage down below. Right, if we spin round, so you have a socket on the wall, obviously European, little desk area, and a mirror, another one of those shelves. And at this side, you've got another socket. So yeah, it's a big room this. So if we walk out in this bit here, which is obviously the way we come in, you've got yet more wardrobe storage. Lots of storage there. Yet again, more coat hangers. And then the bathroom. So you've got a really nice, powerful shower. Really is quite big, that. Your toilet, obviously. Hello. Big mirror. Hairdryer. That's really powerful. And a sink. So if we go back into the double bedroom, this is where the balcony is. It is quite a small door and you have got a step to get up. So just be wary of that if you want to book this room. And watch your head when you go out. So as you can see, we've got table and chairs for 4 people. And it is quite a big balcony, or terrace shall I say. Right, go back in because it's warm out here. So just watch your head when you go in there. That just locks, so that's easy. So yeah, it's a big room. If there's a family, if there's 4 of you, or you've got teenage kids, or it's a really good room, this. The aircon is payable and the safe is payable when you get here. I think it's about €40 for us for 3 days for both. Right, I'll take you out to the reception area now, and then I'll show you the pool area. And there is another pool area which we'll go to, and to the beach, so we'll carry on going. Yeah, so as you leave your cat there, you can go straight down there, and that's straight out onto the strip. But we're going to go up these stairs here. This is to reception. So this is the reception. As you can see, it's a family run hotel here, so it's really homely. As you can see, there's a little seating area out here and the pool beyond. So we'll go back down these stairs. And then that goes into the pool. I'll just show you a quick shot of the pool. I can't really go in because it's full of children. So here's the pool. So yeah, you come back out, and at the end of the pool, as you saw, is the restaurant, which is where you have your breakfast. Now breakfast, there is a set menu on a breakfast, and you can have one thing, one coffee and a juice, and that's all you get. But there is about 6 different things. I'll take a picture of the menu and put it in here, and I'll show you the breakfast we had this morning. So if you walk to the end of the little street, you come straight out onto the strip. And this is the breakfast area. Right, if you then come out and cross the street, and look for that sign and walk down here, and this comes out to the other pool. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the second pool here at the Panorama Apartments. And if you can see, I've got padding on the bed, and it's very quiet. And the reason it's very quiet is because you have to pay for these. So it's €7 per day for 2 sunbeds. On the beach, it's €10 per day for 2 sunbeds. But we've found that it's well worth the extra money to come down here, because it is a lot quieter. And what they do up at the top pool is they open it up to the public, so if they buy a drink in the bar or something to eat, something like that, then they get the sunbeds around the pool for free all day. So it does get pretty busy up there, and to be fair, a lot of apartments and bars are doing that. So yeah, I would recommend coming down here. It is a lot nicer. Right, we'll have a walk to the beach bar, and I will show you the beach. This is actually the view from the swimming pool. So you walk down here, and as you can see, you've got a beach bar here. You can sit and have a drink. And there's a shaded area with some seating. Right, let's go on the beach. So as you can see, the beach is very busy and it's very crammed in. But like with the pool, if you pay your €10, then anybody can get in here. So yeah, that's pretty much the tour of this hotel or apartment. It is a 2-star. Like I say, it's very basic, but I would highly recommend it. You know, it's family run. The family are absolutely brilliant. They're so friendly, they'll do anything for you. They stand and talk to you. Yeah, it is very, very nice. So yeah, definitely recommend it. So thanks for coming with me. Thanks for looking around the hotel that we've just stayed in. Please do give it a like and subscribe down below, because it is free and it does help me out massively. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one. Goodbye.